Our next story is about Iran's new morality laws, set to come into effect this week. The laws promote what's called culture of chastity and hijab, with violators to be subjected to fierce punishment under Iran's Islamic Penal Code. Here's a report.
Despite having a moderate president in power, Iran is persistent on clamping down on women's rights. Authorities have adopted a new law to promote what's being called the culture of chastity and hijab. The new legislation imposes severe penalties. Promoting nudity, indecency, unveiling or improper dressing is designated an outright crime. Punishments range from fines of up to nearly $16,000, flogging, and prison sentences of 5 to 15 years. Those whose conduct is corrupt by authorities will face death penalty. Anyone intervening or attempting to stop the arrest or harassment of women and girls defying compulsory veiling could themselves be imprisoned or fined. Human rights group Amnesty International has raised an alarm over this new law. The organization says that its implementation would mean that women and girls sending videos of themselves unveiled to media outside Iran or otherwise engaging in peaceful activism may also be sentenced to death. Massive protests erupted earlier this month against the laws that many have slammed as draconian. Iranian journalists, activists, clerics and human rights lawyers have expressed outrage, which they say will legitimize the increasing restrictions on women in the country. As the law comes into effect, it serves as a reminder of nationwide protests 2 years ago, which were triggered by the death of Mahsa Amini in police custody, a 22-year-old Kurdish woman who was jailed for not covering her head properly. For the past 2 years, women in Iran have publicly refused to obey the strict dress code. Last month, videos went viral of a young Iranian student stripping down to her undergarments, reportedly in protest against the strict dress code. She was later taken to an undisclosed psychiatric hospital in the capital. Since then, her whereabouts remain unknown. Despite the past incidents and public outcry, Iranian authorities continue to implement stringent laws against women, which many have said go against the fundamental rights for the women of the country. Iran's President Masoud Pezeshkian has stated his opposition to the new laws in a media interview. He warned that its enforcement would lead to further discontent in Iranian society. But lip service is all that the leader has been able to do so far, indicating how little control he has over lawmaking in the country.
For latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.